Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you have chickens and you're always on the hunt to make sure that you're feeding them the best quality food so that they are in the best condition and are laying you the best eggs, these black soldier fly larvae by Hatortempt are so nice to add to their diet. They are so plump. I couldn't get over it. If I was a chicken, I would love these things because they just look so juicy, even though they're dried. It comes in a really nice resealable bag, so you don't have to worry about storing it. It's easy to store. This is a 5-pound bag, so you are getting a lot of feed for your chickens. We went and fed some friends' chickens these larvae, and it was amazing. They usually get mealworms, and watching them go crazy over mealworms is fun enough. But when we pulled out these black fly larvae, they really went crazy. They definitely would try to peck out the black fly larvae over the mealworms, even. And they also have a little bit of extra calcium in them. So if you're trying to add extra calcium intake in your chickens, these are a really great choice. So if you are looking to keep your chickens in great condition and get the greatest eggs possible, give these a try.
And that's my point of view.